Welcome to 10 minutes CS. 1593. Split a string into the max number of unique substrings. Given a string S, return the maximum number of unique substrings that the given string can be split into. You can split the string S into any list of non-empty substrings where the concatenation of substrings forms the original string. However, you can split the substrings such that all of them are unique. A substring is a contiguous sequence of characters within a string. So let's say we are given an input string as this one. So one way to split it will be we can split it into A, B, and then we take a substring AB in itself, and then C and CC. So all these substrings are unique and the count of all of them is 5. So we just return 5. First thing we see here is we need to find the unique substrings. So to find the uniqueness, we can choose set data structure. So let's say we try to find the substrings such that we split the array and we check if it is present in the set or not. For that we will need a set array to check if it contains in the set in O1 time. Now how will we split it? So let's say we are given that same example as B, A, C, C. Now first thing will be we will be having these indices also for it. So let's say we start with that index 0 and we choose this as one of the substring. So in our set we can add it and we can then compute for rest of our string which is left from here. Now we can check for this index. Now this is not in a string, so we can choose this as one of the substring and can add it also. So this will be the another split. Now we come to index 2. Now we see that A is already present in set. That means we cannot take A. So we go to the next index 3. Now we see that the substring which is making from the last index which was not included till now in any of these substrings to the index which we are currently at, that is AB, it forms a substring and that is not present in set, so we can add this as one of the substring. Now we can see for this index this is not present, so we will take it as one of the substring, and then we see that this is already present in substring, so we move to the next one and we again choose CC as one of the substring, and this helps us giving the answer. So first thing is that we will need a set, so we will be doing a recursive call until we reach the end of the string. So for that, let's say we have our function as this. What all we will need our string S, we will need our set to check if it's present in the set or not, and we would need the index. Now till when we are doing this operation, we are doing it unless we have reached the end of the string. So if our index is greater than or equal to length of our string S, at that time we should return the size of the set, right? Because this will be storing all those substring count by splitting in one of the ways. And how are we gonna split it? We will run a for loop from our index plus 1 as in substring. Let's say we are finding a substring for 0 till 1, so this will give us a substring from 0 till 0th index. The last index is not counting, so we will do it for index plus 1 till I less than or equal to n, that is the length of our string. Why are we doing equal to here? Same reason, because the last index won't be counted, so we should, to get the last index, we should give here n, and we will do our I++, and then we can get our substring. How we can use our substring method and in this we can run from the index till the I. So index till I we can run it, and we will check if it is not present in set. In that case we can add it to set, and once we have added it, what we will do, we will again call our same function with all those parameters set, and our index will be changed to I. So next time we will be calling from I. So let's say we are here, and in our substring we will be taking index till I. So this is index and this is our I. So this will be the substring that we will be taking into account. So we should go for our function call from the ith index, and once that is done we need to check for the other cases also. So let's say we might have a case such as ww bx, something like this. So let's say we have chosen this as one of the substring. What if we might have chosen as this as one of the substring, and then so there are multiple cases. So in that case we should do a backtracking. So we will remove our substring from here, and we can have our max variable for which we can check max of what we get using this function, and max we have got till now. Now once all this is done we can return max. So this will be the code for it. Let's look at the code. We initialize our set and we call our function. We do it unless we have reached to the end of the string. We have our max variable, and we run it from index +1 till less than or equal to n. We get the substring, and then we add it to the set if it's not contained in the set, and we then move to the next elements, and while backtracking we will just remove it for our next strings to be counted, and we will be updating our max counter each time, and finally we will just return our max counter.